So, welcome to the stock management system, a demo script. So what I'm going to show you is my project of our group. So which comprises of me, Atharva, Anurag and Aradhya. So let's start with this. So as you can see, I have started with the server, front end and the back end, and I will show you. So first of all, this is the logout page. Then I've registered as an admin here, so I will just show you the admin page first. And so when you get a successful login, it will redirect to this page. Also, if you can see, I have added some forgot password thing. So what if you don't have a password remember, so what you can do is, so what is my email ID, I will just insert it. I will just ask for the OTP as I have implemented it. So the OTP will be shared by my SPIT email address, which I have inserted here along with the two-step verification. So as long as if I enter the email address and if I send them, so the OTP will be addressed to me. Similarly, in the register, when you can see, if you don't have an account, if you register it, they will first ask you for your email address so that it can validate you as a user. And then once you get that validation, then we can just send an OTP and just ask for the name and other things, which will be shared in the data videos. So now I will just show you the sign in part. As you can see, now I will just insert the details, credentials, and my password here, and there you go. Now as I am admin, I can see all the details like the total products which is there, the total stock value which is just fetched from the database. I have used MongoDB as my database, where I have stored all the data like adjustments, deliveries and location, products, receipts. So as there was no time, so I couldn't insert much of the data as such, but we have used some of the users here, which are just my teammates and some of my other accounts, so which has showed you that the warehouse is true. So these all things are stored in my database. Also, after this, you can see how much are the stocks present. So if I go to the product section, I can see the products details. As you can see, there is Apple, Mango and the iPhone thing. So let's check. So when I view it, I can understand, okay, the SKU, the number of the ID is assigned as 56, then the category, it is a fruit, then how much is the cost price and the selling price, which was already mentioned to just check. So when I edit this, I am able to edit it. I can add some description. So if I say Apple is the seasonal, okay, fruit. So when I add this and just say, I just say to update the product, I can just get the updated product. Yeah, so this is what products mean. And as you can see, when I just view it afterwards, you can see the description as just edited. So this is just the crude operation which I am doing on the database, and the database will just fetch the latest data as long as I have inserted. So this is what I have did. Now with the warehouses, as you can see, as I showed you, this is the active warehouse, this is the MDC or the main distribution center, which I have addressed, and here is the my location where I stay. So these are some of the warehouses which I have added in the database. Or maybe you can just have, if you can see, I have some products as I showed you, such Mango. So it will just show you Mango, and this is what the search functionality has helped me out. Also, the admin has the option to manage the access. Now currently it is not showing the data because I think there is some technical issue there, but okay, we will just show you later. Coming to the receipts, you can just create the receipt as I showed you for the products. If you want to add a product, like if I just show you addition of any product, like let's add something like Samsung phone. Okay, so SKU, as we had used 56, we'll use 55 instead. Yeah, and the category will be just electronics, and unit is those pieces, and cost price in dollars, so I think maybe around it may be around 600 maybe. And selling price, will just have some profit there, and just store this in the inventory with some random values. As you can see, these are some of the random values which I'm adding, and just then create the product. I don't know why it's happening.